What is groupthink? Well, there are numbers of aspects of it, but it means going along with what the whole group is thinking, and in a company, it means going along with your team or your management, often dominated by one or two voices. It can also be defined in terms of roles. If you have a certain role, defined role in an organization, it means going along with however that's defined and not making any challenges to it, or thinking differently or questioning your role. And of course, the most famous of that, as you know, is Albert Eichmann, the Second World War Nazi clerk, who at his trial said, "I'm one of the best clerks. My trains ran on time. I kept track of everybody on the train. And what did I do wrong? I was just part of the group. I was engaged in what we would call groupthink, and I did my job perfectly. Anyone would want me for a clerk." But of course, his railroad cars that did run on time were filled with Jews going to the concentration camps. But he wasn't able to step out and think about that, but rather thought about his job and his role and the way it was defined.